Alright, so this is another video, and this is actually a math video. So I am currently going through Book of Proofs, which is, see if I can show you, right here by Richard Hammock. And this is just something I'm using for self-studying purposes, but I thought that I could start sharing solutions from this book on my channel as well. And I have a bunch of solutions kind of written up already just from me going through them. So if this is something you guys would like and you'd like to see more proof solutions, then I can do that. And please like and subscribe if you don't mind. It helps me out. It's a free way to support the channel. Okay, so let's go ahead and do number 2. If x is an odd integer, then x cubed is odd. So we need to prove that if x, then, or if p, then q, essentially. So x is an odd integer. So then we can write x as, let's say, 2n plus 1, where n is an element of your integers. Okay. All right, so that's just the definition that they gave us. So if this we assume to be true, now x cubed is also odd. So in that case, 2n plus 1 cubed is x cubed by just substituting in the definition of x. And we can, of course, expand this if we'd like. And we can distribute. Let's see, that's 4n squared plus 2n plus 2n, so plus 4n plus 1 times 2n plus 1. Or 8n cubed plus 4n squared plus 8n squared plus 4n plus 2n plus 1. Just picking up like terms, we have 8n cubed plus 12n squared plus 6n plus 1. Okay, so this, I can factor out a 2 and an n, and I'll be left with 4n squared plus 6n plus 3 plus 1. So I just factored out of this. Okay. And that is just going to be some integer, right? Whatever that is, because n is an integer. So this is the same thing as, we'll just call it 2m plus 1. Since this is an integer, and n is an integer, if you multiply two integers, you get another integer. So we have 2m plus 1, and so we can see that x cubed is going to be an odd number because it takes the same form as the 2n plus 1. Okay? So hopefully that makes sense on how we went about proving that. If this is something you'd like more videos of, just let me know. I can do those. And if not, I'll go back to the mechanic videos.